Guys, welcome back once again, and in this video I am going to tell you if you have cut your neckline wrongly, then how you can fix it. So this is a quick fix video, and I cut my front and back accidentally on the same measurements. So now I'm going to fix it. So what I have done is I've taken the piece and I cut it into the shape of neckline, and after that I will just cut it the round shape according to the measurement of my neckline, or you can place your neckline on top of fabric and just draw the lines. After that I will mark the midpoint of that fabric and then midpoint of my frock, and after that I will just pin it and sew it. So it would be better I am starting from the middle to pinning my fabric, and it would be a great idea if you sew from the middle. It would be easy for you to handle the fabric wisely. So now I will just make a stitch all around the neckline, and after that I will make small notches, and then I will show you how it looks like after turning it over. Alright, now it's time to make small notches and turn it over. And this is how it looks like so far. So what I will do, I will just iron it really heavily. So and then after I will just make a top stitch. If you're going to make a top stitch and iron it properly, then your fabric will be smooth and it would be easy to cut and sew, and your seams are going to be secure. After that, I will make a straight line to even out all the fabric, and then I will mark for the neck measurements, which I showed you in my previous videos. If you want to see how I created this Anarkali look, you can check the description box. I've already uploaded those videos. It's just a quick video for a quick fix. If you want to see the detailed video, please do let me know in the comments, so I will make detailed video. And this is how it looks like so far. After that I will just clean up all the edges, and you can use the piping or you can use Arab strips to finish it off. I also have to join the shoulders. This was my sister's old Shalwar suit, and I turned it into a designer style Anarkali dress for us 7 years old. If you want to see how you can create this look, how you can achieve this look, also you can check the description box for the links or the icon on top of the video. Wish you all the best for your projects. Keep cutting and keep doing the sewing actions. Bye.